So, welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. And I'm going to do a plantain salad. So, for that recipe, you will need two ripe plantains, cilantro, onions, garlic, mixed vegetables, vegenaise, which is vegan mayo, garlic powder, and turmeric. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the plantains, take the skin off the plantains. I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna chop it in little cubes, and then I'm gonna add the rest of those ingredients in there. So let's go ahead and do this plantain salad. Okay, folks, so the plantains are boiling. I'm gonna leave it in there, let it cook, and then I'm gonna let it, after it's cooked, I'm gonna let it get a little cool because I don't want it hot because I need to cut it into cubes. And then I'm gonna add 1 cup of the mixed veg with all the rest of the ingredients, cilantro, onions, garlic, the garlic powder, a pinch of turmeric, and the vegenaise. So let's let this plantain do its thing. Okay, folks, so this is our plantain with the mixed veg, the cilantro, onions, and garlic. I'm gonna add a pinch of turmeric in there and the garlic, and I'm gonna mix with some vegenaise. So let's do this. Okay, folks, so we're all done. This is our plantain salad. This tastes so good. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.